What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my brand new channel and welcome to Destin, Florida.
We got the same 24 hours. We got the same 24 hours. We got the same 24 hours. If you can do it better than me, then do it, motherfucker. We got the same 24 hours. We got the same 24 hours. We got the same 24 hours. If you can do it better than me, then do it, motherfucker.
Now, even though it's January in Florida, you might be wondering if this is snow on the ground, but I can assure you it's just the sugary white sands of Destin, Florida on Emerald Coast. I'm truly blessed to be living here and calling this place my home. So let me introduce myself. My name is Timuchin. I'm 31 years old. This video was a long time coming. I wanted to get into YouTube a while back, probably 4 or 5 years ago, but being a little bit of a perfectionist, I thought, the time had to be just perfect, and I had to have like the most high-tech equipment. I had to have the best camera, the best lighting, the best microphone. But I realized with a mindset like that, you never really get started. So I want to get into what this channel is going to be mainly about. Digital freedom lifestyle is for everyone that is anti 9 to 5, everybody that wants to say no to the corporate jobs and the rat race and just slaving away to make a buck or two and not being able to have the freedom. Just imagine how different your life can be if all you needed was internet connection and a laptop to perform your job, or if you want to even call it that. I'm sure you're tired of spending most of your time with your coworkers or being trapped in a place where you don't want to be. You can look outside the window, see how beautiful the weather is. You just want to be out there, spending time with the people you want to be around and going to the places you want to be at, instead of being stuck 8 hours a day doing a routine job that you just know you have so much more potential, so much more to offer. And hopefully this is a way that can kind of open your mind up to different ways of living your life. I was oblivious to making an income online. I didn't know. I thought the only way you could be successful was by following the education system, making good grades in high school, going to a well-accredited university, make good grades, graduate, and hope that you could find a job that paid you well enough to where you could pay back all the debt you have accumulated for school, and hopefully be able to make a living. And how my journey kind of started was I saw a local business, and I kind of wondered how much money they were probably making, profiting, selling some of the items that they had for sale. And while searching for these products, I started coming up on a site called Alibaba.com, and then and that always took me to Amazon. Like, it was just I don't know, it felt like Alibaba was just like affiliated with Amazon. So I didn't know. I was oblivious to being able to, like, individuals selling products on Amazon. I thought Amazon was their own company and sold their own products. They were affiliated with big brands. Then I quickly realized that people like you and me were the majority of the sellers on Amazon. Also in this channel, I'm going to be documenting my journey with Shopify and affiliate marketing as well. So I feel like Amazon FBA, Shopify, and affiliate marketing are great ways to make money online. You can start off as making just extra income, or you can make it your full-time and make a great living. It's just really however much you put into it. I'm not saying it's easy, but I'm not saying it's hard either. I'm not saying that it's not possible. There's plenty of people online that have figured out how to make great living by utilizing the internet, utilizing the era that we live in. It's not hard. A lot of people look at these people that have discovered how to make money online and they're like, well, you know, they can do it, but I'm not like them. No, like these people at one point in their lifetime, they didn't know anything about making money online. They just came across it probably the same way you did, and then they just figured it out, they put their mind to it. It's definitely something that's very doable, and it's something that's very rewarding. It's time to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Don't let people's opinion limit you from getting started with what you want to get started with. Stop limiting yourself and open your mind to different ways of making a living. You don't have to live in the United States to be able to make money. You could be living anywhere in the world and be making money online. Start working towards your future, whatever it might be. Getting into a better health, training, and just any way that's gonna take you first step each day. You don't have to. You can break things down. Just start slowly. So I'm gonna be documenting my journey. I'm gonna be offering great value. I'm gonna be teaching you guys what I learned, and hopefully to where you can take the steps and apply it to your own life as well. So follow my journey. Follow how I tackle Amazon FBA, Shopify, and affiliate marketing. And I hope you get value through the videos that I'm gonna be providing. The steps that I'll be showing, it's basically gonna be inside my computer, and I'm gonna be showing step by step how to do some of these things to get started. It's not hard. I can show you steps to start, like how to make your account with Amazon FBA, how you can start with Shopify, and how easy it is to do affiliate marketing. And if you have any questions, we do have a Facebook page where like-minded people can come and share their thoughts or ask questions. You can go ahead and follow me on my social media, Instagram and Snapchat. So if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe. Drop a like if you found any kind of value or if you enjoyed this video. Everything was shot on iPhone 10, so it just goes to show you that you don't need any fancy equipment to get started. If you've been wanting to get started with a YouTube, just pick up your cell phone, pick iPhone, Android, doesn't matter. Just get started, and once you get comfortable, once you start producing, in the future if you want to upgrade, you can certainly do that. But if you don't get started, you're always just going to wait for that perfect time, and that time is never going to come. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more videos coming up soon. Join the team, join the family. Let's get this going.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live it. They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my brand new channel. Shit.